Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix if audio is not working in VLC media player. So open VLC media player. Now here click on tools, then press Ctrl P or click here preferences. Now here select audio. If enable audio is not selected, so select it and make sure in output module select here automatic. It's necessary select here automatic, then save it. Now open any video with VLC media player, so you will be able to hear audio in VLC. So we can listen audio easily. So just this setting, tools, preferences, audio, and make sure this enable audio is selected and here automatic is selected, then save it and reopen. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.